Hey, this is Dave from YunaPRO, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make money using ChatGPT plus Facebook using 5 strategies that I guarantee you're not doing already. And we're gonna uncover one strategy that you need to stop doing if you're already doing it. There's something that a lot of people have been saying you should be using ChatGPT for, and if you're doing this on Facebook, I guarantee it's hurting your chances of making money, so you gotta stop. And we're gonna cover that in just a second. Let's dive in. So you've certainly heard about ChatGPT. It's a new AI software that allows you to do all kinds of cool stuff online. It does a lot of work for you. And maybe you're wondering, well, how do I actually apply this to my business? You've seen how it works, but how is it gonna make you money? How is it gonna grow your business?
You wanna know how I make money? Okay.
I'm here to tell you, ChatGPT is not taking over the world. It's not going to put you out of business. It's not going to do everything for you, but there's some great ways that you can leverage it to increase your lead flow, increase the number of clients you're taking on, increase the amount of revenue that your business is earning. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to be showing you 5 strategies that I like to use to help my business grow more quickly. And we're also going to talk about one strategy that a lot of people have been talking about, and I want you to stay away from it because it's actually going to hurt your business. So let's dive in. I'm going to start by going over to openai.com. And when you get to openai.com, it looks something like this. You're going to want to click on up at the top, it says try, and that's going to open up ChatGPT. And the way that it works is basically you put in prompts, you ask questions, and ChatGPT, it goes out and searches its database of information and comes back with results for you. So the first thing that we're going to do, the first strategy that I like to use ChatGPT for is to find leads, find sources of leads. Well, how do you do that? I'm going to use an example for my business. So my business is all about Facebook marketing. You can plug in your type of business. So you might be a business coach, you might be a fitness coach, you might be a relationship coach, maybe you provide dating advice, whatever it is that you offer, this strategy can work for you as well. So I'm gonna go down to the prompt here and I'm gonna type in, who are popular business coaches on Facebook? And remember, I'm trying to generate leads, and the leads that I wanna find are people who are building businesses online. They're online entrepreneurs. And so ChatGPT goes to work and it finds all these business coaches for me. But I don't want to stop here. I really want to dial in where I could find my best leads, and you want to do this as well. So I'm going to say men only, please. I want to find business coaches who are attracting entrepreneurs, and I want these business coaches to be men only. So there's a chance that people who are following male business coaches might also resonate with the message that I put out. And so here I come back with 7 different male business coaches. And now I'm going to say, who are offering a course? So what I'm doing is drilling down even further. So these are some business coaches, but I want to know who's actually selling something online, so selling a digital course. And now I come up with a list of these 6. Well, what do I do with this? I'm going to take Dave Ramsey as an example, and I'm going to go and open up Facebook, and you can do this exact same thing. Go up into the top here into the search. And I'm gonna go into the search bar and I'm gonna put in Dave Ramsey. And so far I know he's some sort of business coach. He offers some sort of course. He's a male. And so people who are attracted to him may be interested in the types of content that I'm creating as well. So I've got Dave Ramsey over here. I'm gonna click on his name. It's gonna take me over to his page. And now what I can do is take a look at his content and see which pieces of his content are attracting people. So here's an example. Winning with money is 80% behavior and 20% head knowledge. What to do isn't the problem, doing it is. I got 990 likes. So this one piece of content attracted 990 people who are interested in building wealth. They're interested in online business. They're probably entrepreneurs. And 99 comments. I can go down here. This one's got 2,900 likes, 586 comments. And so you can see how easy it is for ChatGPT to go out and find me sources of leads. I want to go back to my search in ChatGPT, and I want to show you about how important it is to refine this, because it's easy to say, who are some of my competitors on ChatGPT, but we really want to be able to target who the best competition is, because this is where you're going to be able to find your best leads. So I could say, make this list include only online marketers. And so now I'm being very specific here. And let's see, so now I've got popular male business coaches on Facebook who specialize in online marketing. And notice I got a slightly different list. So think about how you could refine this search or this query over and over and over again. Then go over to Facebook, check out that person's content, find pieces of content where there's a ton of people liking and loving and commenting on that content. And then you can scoop up those leads so they start seeing your content as well. So that's number 1, lead generation using ChatGPT and Facebook. Next, I want to talk about improving your branding so that you're separated from your competition, so that you stand out. I'm going to give you an example of one of the types of queries that I might put in here. It says, give me 10 names for a Facebook group that helps people find leads on Facebook. Well, why am I saying this? I'm going to show you, while ChatGPT is going to work, I'm going to show you one of my Facebook groups, and it's called Audience and Influence, New Ways to Gain Massive Engagement on Facebook. So you probably already have a Facebook group. If you don't have a Facebook group, you need to have a Facebook group. It's really the best way to attract leads, nurture those leads, and get paying clients. But if you already have a group, you might find that you're not getting a ton of people joining that group. Or maybe when people do join, they're not that engaged. Well, part of the problem can be your branding. You want to have branding that makes it very clear why your group, why your brand is different from all your competitors out there. Let's go back and take a look at what ChatGPT came up with. And of course, you can plug in your own niche here. So my niche is Facebook organic marketing. And here I got Facebook lead generation squad, Facebook prospecting network, lead hunting on Facebook. Let me find one that I like here. The Facebook Business Lead Hub. So I'm going to take that one and I'm going to say, okay, that's cool. I like the idea of the Lead Hub. I'm going to say, give me 10 more variations of, and I could put in the name that it gave me, or in this case, it's number 6. So I'm going to say number 6, and I'm going to get some more variations of that same Facebook group title, that same Facebook group name. Discovering leads with Facebook, Facebook Leads Generation Alliance, cool, navigating leads on Facebook. And so then I can go and take one of these. I'm going to say the Facebook Lead Connection Group. So I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to say make funnier. This is a prompt that I use a fair bit. Make Facebook Lead Connection Group funnier. So here's a playful take on Facebook Lead Connection Group. Lead, Love, and Laughter, the Facebook edition, the Facebook Lead Grabbers Anonymous, finding leads and making friends on Facebook. Interesting. I actually really like this one because it sounds like a community. It doesn't sound like a place where people are going and they're going to be sold. And so I encourage you, go through, add a bunch of prompts here and find a unique branding. In this case, we're doing Facebook groups to set yourself apart from your competitors so that people, when they find you, they think, wow, there's something different here. So that's strategy number 2. That's all about unique branding. Well, now what I want to do, in this case, we're talking about Facebook groups. I want to make my Facebook group more searchable. I want to get more referral traffic over to my group. And so simply that means that Facebook, it refers people to join other groups. It sees people engaging in one group and says, hey, you should join this group. It also, when people search certain things in Facebook, can promote your group for free. I want to make sure that my group gets as much referral and search traffic as possible. Those are just free leads that Facebook is giving me. Well, how do I do that? I need to give cues to Facebook to say that this group is an amazing group where people are going to really benefit. Let me show you how you can do this using ChatGPT. So I'm going to say, in this case, I'm going to say, write a description for the Facebook group called, and in this case, I'm going to put in this one here. And I could have also just given the number that ChatGPT came up with. So I could have said, just give me a description for the Facebook group called, or the Facebook group number 4. So ChatGPT is going out and it's writing this description. Now I'm going to go over to my Facebook group while it does that. And you'll see over here in the About section, when I click on Learn More, and you're going to see right here, it says, welcome to the Audience and Influence community. There is a description here. And maybe this description in your group is working, and maybe you're getting referral traffic and people are just coming and requesting to join your group. But if not, there's a chance that you could do a better job of giving clues to Facebook saying this group is really awesome. So maybe I want to change this up. Let's go back, take a look at what ChatGPT came up with. It says, finding leads and making friends on Facebook, vibrant and dynamic community for business professionals looking to network, connect, blah, 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 blah. It gives me lots of ideas here. Now, I want to be even more specific and make it more clear why someone would benefit from joining this specific group. So I'm going to ask another prompt, or I'm going to put another prompt, and I'm going to say, explain more benefits of this group. And the neat thing is that ChatGPT, it remembers where we were. It's like a conversation. It knows that it just wrote a description about this group, and now it's giving me some benefits of this group. And you can see ChatGPT is going to work here, and it's giving me this bulleted list, this numbered list of all the benefits someone would receive from joining this group. Well, what would I do now with this? I would take this description here, I'd take these benefits, and of course I'd modify it myself. But what this is doing is going outside the box and thinking about a bunch of different clues that we could give to Facebook saying, hey, we got this cool branded Facebook group. It's different than all the competitors. And when someone comes over here, these are all the benefits they're going to get. Therefore, Facebook, this is an awesome group. Go recommend it for us. Help this group grow. And we know Facebook is all about growing Facebook groups, so there's a good chance that we're gonna get some free leads this way as well. So that's strategy number 3. Strategy number 4 is about getting unique content ideas. Let me show you an example of a question that I can put in here. I can say, Give me 10 content topics related to organic Facebook marketing. And again, you can put in whatever niche it is that you operate in here. You could say, give me 10 content topics related to weight loss. Give me 10 content topics related to buying used cars, whatever type of business it is that you run. And so ChatGPT, of course, it goes out and gives me these 10 topics, and here they are. Now, I do encourage you, don't stop here. Get really skilled at asking more prompts or providing more prompts to make these more unique for you. So again, I'm gonna say, make these funnier. ChatGPT is going to go out and it's going to make these funnier. So it says, here are potential content topics with a playful twist. The art of Facebook engagement, how to get people to like, comment, and share. I actually like this one. So number 2 here is one that I'm interested in. Number 3, the ultimate guide to Facebook group shenanigans for organic marketing. I like that as well. So I'm going to say, give me 10 variations of number 3. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do here. So once I get 10 variations of number 3 here, I'll show you how I use this, practically speaking. How do I actually make more money from Facebook using ChatGPT in this example here? So ChatGPT is going to work. It's creating these 10 different content topics, variations of number 3 here. And let's just say I'm going to take this one, Facebook Group Marketing Madness, a guide to organic reach. So notice that this is about organic reach. Well, how do I use this? I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to go over to, this is my content calendar. And every single month, I plan a month of content around a specific content topic. So you can see that this month, it's all about Facebook monetization. When I go back over here, suggestion number 8 that I picked up is a guide to organic reach. So I very easily could make a month of content around, I could change this to organic reach. And now let's say that I want to do a Facebook Live sometime in this month and I want it to be around the topic of organic reach. In this case, I am doing a live down here on Tuesday the 28th. I could go in here and say that my topic is going to be something like this. Am I going to use exactly this? Facebook Group Marketing Madness, Guide to Organic Reach? Maybe not exactly, but it gives me an idea. Now, again, thinking about going deeper with queries, I can go back over here and say, find 5 more post ideas about organic Facebook marketing. And so going deeper, adding another query here allows me to come up with more topic ideas that I can plug into my content calendar. Very easily, I can have an entire month's worth of content all about organic marketing on Facebook. The original ideas can come straight from ChatGPT. It's pretty cool. So that's number 4. It's about creating unique content ideas using ChatGPT. The 5th strategy is all about improving your offer online. So what it is that you're selling online, making it better. So for me, I'm helping people grow their business through Facebook. So it's Facebook organic marketing. I might want to know what else is being sold to people who might also be interested in buying from me. Let me show you how this works. I could say, what can I buy to help me improve my Facebook organic marketing? And let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. It says several tools, social media management tools. Let's see what else it comes up with here. Facebook ads, online courses and workshops. And it's going to give me a bunch of examples of ways that people can spend money. Now, these might not be direct competitors for me. And when you do the same search or the same query, they might not be direct competitors. But if people have a limited amount of money, which most people do, in this case, they can either spend their money here on these things, or they might choose to spend their money with me. Well, how's this actually going to help me improve my offer, what it is that I offer? I'm going to take a look at the results that came here, and I'm asking the question, is there some benefit that these offers are providing that maybe my solution, my service, my product could also offer? So when I take a look at this list, the first thing that I see is social media management tools. People are spending their money on social media management tools. That could prevent them from spending money with me. So what is it? What's the benefit that's being provided here? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to list all social media management tools. And what I'm doing here is I want to see a list, or a pretty exhaustive list, of all the different options, again, where people are spending money. And so here's a bunch. Hootsuite I've heard of, Sprout Social. Many of these I'll have heard of. I get down here, eClincher as an example is something that I've never heard of before. So I'm going to take eClincher. I'm going to open up a window. I'm going to go over to Google. I'm going to search that. And let's see here, eClincher. And I'm going to take a look at some of the benefits, the features, and see what it is that they're doing and ask myself, can I provide a similar or better benefit so that more people will choose to spend their money with me? And you can do this as well. It's a great way to do competitive research and improve your online offer. Now, those are 5 strategies that are really effective for using ChatGPT plus Facebook to earn more money. But there's one strategy that a lot of people are saying this is a great use of AI or ChatGPT, and I disagree. In fact, I think it's a horrible way to use AI. Let me show you an example here. A lot of people are saying to do things something like this. Write a 500-word Facebook post about organic marketing. A lot of people are saying that you can go and let ChatGPT write all your content for you, and you can just sit back and relax and then copy and paste this over into Facebook or into other social platforms and just watch your social media blow up. And we're going to take a look at the result that I got here. I'm not saying that this result is necessarily bad, but it's very robotic. What you're going to get using AI to write your content for you is really devoid of your personality. And that makes sense, right? ChatGPT, it doesn't know who you are, doesn't know your history, doesn't know your past stories, doesn't know your experience, doesn't know anything about you. And so we get a very plain vanilla type of content. And if you're taking content like this and posting on social media, it's actually gonna hurt your business. Social media is all about you. It's about people. It's about people connecting with people. They're not going on social media to find a robotic essay or a robotic post, something like we're getting right now. And so while it can be tempting to let ChatGPT write all kinds of content for you, stay away. This is gonna hurt your Facebook algorithm. It's gonna hurt the growth of your business more than it's gonna help. Now, full transparency here, ChatGPT, it's amazing. A tool to use for a starting place when it comes to your brand, to your content, to your offers online. But it's not actually gonna go out and interact with people and nurture your leads and turn those leads into sales. For us, the way that we do that is we use a tool and it's called YunaPRO. And if you've never checked out YunaPRO, you've got to go check it out. YunaPRO does all of our Facebook marketing for us. It connects with people. It creates meaningful conversations. It helps nurture leads and then turns those leads into paying online clients. It's been a game changer for us and many YunaPRO users. I'm going to show you an example. I was in a conversation with Shelly here. We were actually talking about ChatGPT and some of the ways that we can use it on Facebook. And notice what Shelly says. She says, Dave Smith, I love YunaPRO so much, I'd sign up twice. And we feel the same. If you're using Facebook to grow your business, you got to check out YunaPRO. So that's what I've got for you today. If you have any questions about these strategies, go ahead and leave those in the comments. I'm happy to help out. And if you haven't checked out YunaPRO yet, you got to do it. Go over to YunaPRO.com. I know you're going to love it. Thanks for joining me in this video. Can't wait to see you in the next video.